This is a short video just to address some of the queries that we get regarding data protection. We'll take you through a couple of the terms and conditions of the site there, but the first thing and the most important thing to point out there is with regard to data protection and complaints by tenants or potential complaints by tenants, as you will see, there is nowhere anywhere within the entire website for any comments to be stored or anything to be written about any tenant whatsoever. A private conversation is private, and our website does facilitate a past landlord and a potential landlord of a particular tenant to have a phone call and facilitate that private conversation. But as you said, there's nowhere for anything to be stored on the site on any tenant whatsoever. But I'm going to just take you through the terms and conditions on the site there, just to show you where we do need to be in compliance with data protection. On the footer of every page here, you can see the terms and conditions, privacy statement and data protection. If you select the data protection page there, you will see you're brought to a note there. It says information stored, and we're in information stored on TenantReference.ie website, and our server complies with all relevant sections of the data protection 1998, section 2 and section 4, and has all the relevant information that's required in order for us to comply with the Data Protection Act. One of the biggest things where we need to be sure that we comply with is that we get the users of the site to agree to our terms and conditions. If we go down to the end of the site here, this is the terms and conditions. There's lots of details there, and you guys can all have a read of that in your own time, and you should have a read of it before you do sign up to become a member of the site there. If you do select register, one of the points, whether you're registering as a letting agent or as a landlord, you do need to accept the terms and conditions, as you can see here, and you will not be given access to an account without that. That is what we need to do, and we need to make sure that we're in compliance with data protection with regard to having the information we store on the users of our site, not the tenants, but the users, that is the landlords and the letting agents. Make sure that we've done that in a manner that is compliant with data protection.